Introducing Tapmatic Synchroflex. Take your CNC machine rigid tapping to the next level. The steel spring flexure absorbs axis errors for consistent, high-quality threads. Its durable design resists coolant and wear, delivering long, reliable tool life. Our in-house testing shows clear thrust differences, proving which rigid tapping holders deliver the best performance. Comparing the Tapmatic Synchroflex to a cost-effective soft synchro upgrade and a standard collet chuck, looking at thrust graphs across 5 holes, with the lowest thrust load, the Synchroflex provides the optimal solution. Lower thrust means improved thread finish, fewer tap breakages, better gauging results, and most importantly, longer tool life with greater process reliability. Contact your local representative today to invest in reliable thread production.